Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back to If You're New Here, I'm Your Name, and we're all about motorcycles reviews, news, and all the cool things happening in the two-wheeled world. If you're into bikes as much as we are, make sure you hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated with all our latest content. Now, let's dive into today's video. Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we've got something really exciting to talk about: the 2026 Triumph Scrambler 400X. The Scrambler series from Triumph has always been a favorite among riders who want the perfect blend of retro charm, ruggedness, and modern performance, and the 400X promises to continue that tradition with even more features and improvements. Now, we've seen the evolution of Triumph's Scrambler lineup over the years, and it's clear that Triumph knows how to balance performance with classic styling. The Scrambler 400X is the latest entry into that lineup, and it's looking to be a game-changer in the mid-range motorcycle market. So, in today's video, we're going to break down everything you need to know about the 2026 Triumph Scrambler 400X, including its specs, design, performance features, and how it compares to its competitors. Whether you're considering this bike for your next purchase, or you're just a fan of what Triumph is doing with the Scrambler series, stick around because we're going to cover it all. The 2026 Triumph Scrambler 400X is a completely new model, designed with a focus on adventure riding and daily usability. It's positioned in the middle of Triumph's Scrambler family, offering a slightly smaller displacement compared to its larger siblings like the 900cc and 1200cc Scramblers, but still packs the power and versatility that Triumph is known for. Triumph's design philosophy for the Scrambler 400X centers around giving riders the ability to conquer both on-road and off-road challenges without sacrificing comfort or style. The bike combines the iconic Scrambler look with modern features, making it an ideal choice for those who want a bike that's ready for anything, whether it's city streets, gravel roads, or mountain trails. From the very first glance, the Scrambler 400X exudes that quintessential Triumph Scrambler look. You've got the high-mounted exhaust pipes, the rugged stance, and the retro-inspired design elements that make this bike stand out in a crowd. But Triumph hasn't just relied on looks alone. The 400X is built for performance and capability. Let's talk about the engine, because that's what really makes a bike come alive, right? The 2026 Scrambler 400X comes with a brand new liquid-cooled 398cc parallel twin engine. This is a significant update compared to the older single-cylinder engines we've seen in some of Triumph's smaller bikes, and it's designed to offer a balance of power, smoothness, and efficiency. With 40 horsepower and around 35 Nm of torque, the Scrambler 400X is more than capable of handling everyday riding, whether it's commuting or weekend adventures. The engine is tuned to provide a smooth power delivery that's easy to control, making it beginner-friendly but still fun for experienced riders. One of the standout features of this engine is its versatility. While it's small enough to be efficient on the road, it still offers plenty of torque to handle off-road terrain. Whether you're tackling a muddy trail or cruising down a twisty back road, this engine will keep you grinning from ear to ear. Another cool feature is the 6-speed gearbox, which ensures that the bike's power is transferred smoothly to the wheels, whether you're riding in the city or off the beaten path. The gear ratios have been carefully selected to offer a perfect balance of performance and fuel efficiency, making the bike a pleasure to ride. Now, when it comes to a bike like the Scrambler 400X, suspension and handling are absolutely critical. Triumph has equipped the Scrambler 400X with a fully adjustable suspension setup, something you don't always find on bikes in this price range. Up front, you've got a 41mm inverted fork, while at the rear, there's a pair of twin shock absorbers. The suspension is designed to be adjustable for preload, so you can tailor the ride to your preferences. Whether you're cruising on smooth tarmac or heading off-road to conquer some tough trails, the suspension has been tuned to provide comfort and control in all situations. What really makes the Scrambler 400X a standout in terms of handling is its agility. The bike has a relatively low seat height of around 31.5 inches, which helps keep the center of gravity low and makes it easy to maneuver in tight spaces, whether you're on or off the road. For off-road enthusiasts, the 400X's suspension setup offers a lot of travel to absorb bumps, rocks, and rough terrain, making it a capable performer even when the pavement ends. When you're riding a bike with off-road capabilities, you want to have confidence in your braking system. The Scrambler 400X is equipped with twin 320mm discs up front and a single 255mm disc at the rear, paired with high-performance Nissan calipers. The braking system is designed to provide strong, progressive stopping power, whether you're on the road or navigating tricky off-road conditions. Thanks to the ABS system, the 400X ensures you have maximum control even in slippery or uneven terrain. Plus, the bike comes with off-road ABS, which you can switch off when you're riding in dirt and gravel, giving you even more control over your braking when it counts. The Scrambler 400X isn't just a classic-looking bike, it also comes loaded with modern technology to enhance your riding experience. One of the most exciting features of the 2026 model is the full-color TFT display. This display is not only easy to read, but also customizable, allowing you to adjust the information you see based on your preferences. It includes essential data like speed, fuel level, trip information, and gear position, and there's even a ride mode selector that lets you choose between different riding modes like road, off-road, and rain, each optimizing the bike's performance for specific conditions. In addition to the ride modes, the 400X also comes with Triumph's ride-by-wire system, which provides smooth throttle response and ensures that the bike's engine is perfectly in sync with your inputs. Plus, you get keyless ignition and a USB charging port for your phone or other devices, which is a nice touch for anyone who likes to stay connected while out on their rides. The Scrambler 400X has been designed with rider comfort in mind, and it's clear that Triumph has paid attention to the details. The seat is comfortable and designed to offer good support for long rides. Whether you're spending an hour on the road or a full day exploring off-road trails, you won't find yourself uncomfortable after extended periods in the saddle. The handlebars are positioned at a comfortable height, allowing for an upright, relaxed riding position. This makes the 400X ideal for both city commuting and long-distance touring, as the riding position minimizes fatigue, even after hours of riding. Another standout feature of the Scrambler 400X is its lightweight construction. With a dry weight of just around 190 kilograms, 420 pounds, this bike is relatively light compared to other bikes in the Scrambler category, which means it's easier to handle, especially when you're off-roading or navigating tight corners. If you're someone who loves to personalize their bike, then you'll love what Triumph has done with the 400X. The Scrambler 400X comes in a range of stunning color options, including classic Triumph favorites like jet black, matte khaki green, and a special edition Scrambler blue. The matte finishes give the bike a rugged military-inspired look that perfectly complements its off-road capabilities. Additionally, Triumph offers a wide range of accessories that allow you to customize your bike even further. Whether you're looking to add a set of panniers for touring, a skid plate for off-road protection, or some cool custom grips or foot pegs, there's something for every rider to personalize their Scrambler 400X. Now let's talk about price. The 2026 Triumph Scrambler 400X is expected to be priced at around $8,500 in USD, which puts it in a very competitive range for bikes in this class. It's priced a bit higher than some of the competition, but you're getting a well-built bike with solid performance, modern features, and Triumph's reputation for quality. When it comes to the Scrambler 400X, you're definitely paying for the premium experience that Triumph offers. As for availability, the Scrambler 400X will be hitting dealerships in the spring of 2026, so you can expect to see it on the road soon enough. So, what do we think about the 2026 Triumph Scrambler 400X? Overall, it's a fantastic bike that offers a perfect balance of style, performance, and versatility. Whether you're an experienced rider or just starting out, this bike gives you everything you need to explore the world on two wheels. From the powerful 398cc engine to the fully adjustable suspension to the modern electronics, the 400X is ready for whatever adventure you throw its way. It combines the classic Scrambler aesthetic with modern technology, making it not only fun to ride, but also practical for day-to-day use. If you're looking for a bike that you can take on both the highways and the trails, the 2026 Triumph Scrambler 400X is definitely worth considering. That wraps up our review of the 2026 Triumph Scrambler 400X. What do you think? Is this the kind of bike you'd want to own, or would you rather go with something else? Drop a comment below, we'd love to hear your thoughts. Alright guys, that's all for today's video. If you enjoyed it, make sure to give us a thumbs up, and if you haven't subscribed yet, go ahead and do that now, so you don't miss any of our future reviews and motorcycle content. Thanks for watching, and as always, keep the rubber side down and the throttle twisted. See you in the next one.